What's up, guys? Ready to shake the walls with serious sound? If you love deep bass, colorful lights, and that real party feeling, you are going to like this one. Welcome back to Tech Product. Today we are diving into the best Bluetooth party speaker that can instantly turn any space into a mini concert. Let's get started. One product that really stands out in this category is the W-King T92 Bluetooth party speaker. W-King designed this speaker to focus on three things: power, clarity, and fun. The moment you play your first track, you can feel that this speaker is built to impress. At the center of the W-King T92 is its strong 180 watts peak output. That power means your music sounds big and full, not small or flat. You get deep bass that you can actually feel, smooth midtones that carry vocals clearly, and crisp highs that keep every detail sharp. Even when you turn the volume up, the sound stays clean and exciting. The reason it sounds so rich comes from its four-driver setup. It includes dual 4.04-inch subwoofers and dual 1.2-inch tweeters. The subwoofers handle the low frequencies, giving your songs that heavy punch and strong beat. The tweeters focus on the higher notes, making vocals and instruments clear and bright. Together, they create a balanced sound that fills the entire room with energy. W-King also added advanced DSP technology along with a special bass reflex tube. These features help control the audio and reduce distortion, so instead of messy or harsh sound at high volume, you get deeper and fuller tones that stay smooth. It delivers that club-style impact without losing quality. And of course, no party speaker is complete without lights. The W-King T92 comes with eye-catching LED ring lights that move with your music. You can choose from 7 different colors and 6 lighting modes. The lights pulse and glow to the rhythm, creating a fun atmosphere whether you are hosting a chill evening or a high-energy celebration. If one speaker is not enough, you can connect 2 W-King T92 speakers using true wireless stereo pairing. When paired, they deliver up to 360 watts of combined power. This creates a wider soundstage and even more powerful audio, perfect for bigger spaces or outdoor gatherings. Speaking of outdoors, the W-King T92 is built to handle it. With its IPX5 splash-proof rating, it can resist light rain and accidental splashes near the pool. You do not have to worry about a little water stopping the fun. It is also easy to carry thanks to its strong built-in handle. The design feels solid and durable, but not too bulky. You can move it from your living room to your backyard without any struggle. Battery life is another big advantage. The W-King T92 offers up to 24 hours of playtime on a single charge. That means your music can keep going all day and night without constant charging breaks. For connectivity, it supports Bluetooth 5.0, giving you fast and stable wireless streaming. Your connection stays smooth even when you move around. It also includes an AUX input, TF card support, and a U-Disc option, so you can play music in different ways depending on what you prefer. You even get built-in equalizer modes. These allow you to adjust the sound style easily. If you want stronger bass or clearer vocals, you can switch modes and match the sound to your mood. The design ties everything together. The W-King T92 Bluetooth party speaker has a bold shape, textured finish, and glowing LED rings that make it look modern and exciting. It feels tough and looks premium at the same time. Big sound makes big memories. Check the price link in the description and do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.